Yeah, Siri? Oh, you little chat, so. Hey, Siri. Suck your mother.
I won't respond to that.
Alright, look more. Big up yourself. Sorry.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Another reaction. Yeah. Big up on the bumper cloud self. Yo, big up my J. You see the thumbnail, you know what it is already. Right? Alright. Rimzee, Expensive Pain. And the video, the official video, dog. Featuring Born Trappy. Big up yourself, Trappy. Rimzee, big up yourself, my J, my Dan, my GG, big up yourself, my fam. You know we're gonna jump into that one and see what go on, we're gonna react to that one, yeah? You see me? Big up yourself, my G, for your new project. So let's go, dog. Now it's a time. It's a friggin' movie.
Big C made a bango.
Area shots him look sick.
We all thank you for that T, knowing more than me. We all thank you for that T, knowing more than me. No one bought more mash it to the hood than me. And I still hold that title. Suicide doors, but I'm far from suicidal.
Nobody no buy more mash in the hood than him, and him still own the title there. Even though him put on that, him still own the title. Suicide door, but me not suicide. When say suicide door, you see me? I the carry my drive. Let's look on the bumper class.
Thank you for that T, knowing more than me.
Look on the car and tell me what kind of car is that. Suicide door. And a joke thing. And a joke this. Levels to this. Levels to this little boy. Levels to bumper class. This the man I tell you. Suicide door, but me not suicide. I don't bumper class there. Let's go.
Bought more mash it to the hood than me.
Definitely.
And I still
hold the title.
Suicide doors, but I'm far from suicidal.
Curse.
Growing up, man, I surpassed all my idols. Me and Frog on Sky News, we went viral.
I remember that.
Growing up, man, I surpassed all my idols. Me and Frog on Sky News, we went viral. I ain't going there with the lemons and the peppers. I was really there, 2 rares and the steppers. Spray a nigga down, no aftershave. My bro days are my darkest days.
Spray a nigga down, no aftershave. Hold on there, hold on, double out. Spray a nigga down, no aftershave. That is what we're talking about. The boss I tell you from the younger days, brother. The boss I tell.
Carrying all this jug money, BMG. Remember when I spunked all my re-up P's? When I was broke, I don't know what my chicks see in me. D gave me consignment, he believed in me. Teacher thought I'd be in jail or in a court.
Yo, this how when you know shit hard. Watch out.
Remember when I spunked all my re-up P's? When I was broke, I don't know what my chicks see in me. D gave me consignment, he believed.
That is hardship. So for all I want to talk about, yo life hard. That is hardship when you have to put water for stretch the milk. That is hardship right there. You want to know what else is hardship? When you have to cut the toothpaste tube and put the toothbrush inside the tube and twist it out and pull it out and brush your teeth with that. Because toothpaste done, but you have to brush your teeth. You ever use salt brush your teeth yet? You ever use salt, put salt on your toothbrush and brush your teeth yet? That is hardship. So what's someone to know about hardship? What the bumper clap there? Rimzee been there, Rimzee up on top here now. The G found from prison and buy him bumper clap house cash. The boss turned him life around 360. Oh, not tell me say, you got 8 pan Rimzee? You can't 8 pan them man, dog. You can't 8 pan them man. Them man have been there, done it. The man have Sky News clip to prove it. Oh my God!
Me, teacher thought I'd be in jail or in a court. I just pulled up in a Range Rover Sports.
Yeah, I said the teacher them at school think say him gonna be in jail or a corpse. Teacher, me I make more money than you right now, pussy. Me I make more, Mr. Brown from maths class, me I make more money than you right now. How you feel? You hurt? You big hurt or you little hurt? Huh? You hurt? Yeah?
Straight facts. In my cell with half a cake act. If I get caught, I'm going ACAT.
I tried to study school, wasn't for me. Looking up to drug dealers, I ain't want a degree. My teacher said I would be dead or in jail. Hey, they never thought that we would make it out these streets.
Him can sing. Him can sing. Rimzee, great choice for collab with. Him can sing. Him can sing.
Feeling like a life goal, how I always say niggas. I'ma take the fool with the type that's gonna blame niggas. We ain't in the same conversation, call they lame niggas. Wrist like 5 figures, tryna stop me A.
Rimzee said, let me go back in. So Rimzee said, yo, easy, my turn. Rimzee can't wait to slang it again, watch out. Second verse, Rimzee.
Let me go back in. My brother, 22-hour banger, really squeezed my hammer. Got a big ego like Bobby Kasanga. Came up hard, now I'm copping all these yards. Gotta keep it on me, still holding by my past.
Came up hard, now I'm copping all these yards. So me see him post 1 yard. So him have more than 1 yard now. It's called yards. Yards. Investment. Build up him in portfolio. That's where the boss step on right now. The boss step on the loose thing. The boss have turned dirt money into clean money. How you feel authorities when you can't do nothing right now? The man go do him time and come back out to him money. How you feel authorities? How you feel? Eh? You don't answer? Alright, don't answer. Your blood clot, yo. The man up on top now.
Had me on Surrey, I've been banging from early. Can't be on my block till like 20, 30. Left strips full of buying, bag dinners by eye. The man are good online, I'm good with lines. Jenny gets the...
The man are good with line, I'm good with lines. All them boy they do a brrrr. Chat off them mouth like radio. Chat off them mouth like TV presenter. That's what you do. Yeah, Siri? Oh, you little chat, so. Hey, Siri. Suck your mother.
I won't respond to that.
Alright, look more. Big up yourself. Sorry.
Bag dinners by eye. The man are good online, I'm good with lines. Jenny gets the Bentley, I don't know why they envy. They said I'm next up, but who ain't up already?
Them said I'm next up. Brother, me up. Me been up. Where you been? Where you been? Where you there? Eh?
I got stones for days, hotline going crazy. Mental. I could have built Rome in a day. Try to shoot it informal like Blacker. My brother, all my niggas either bangers or trappers. Feeling like an alien riding round in a spaceship. Couple man would have been with me, but they hated. Fuck niggas.
I never believed in the thing from start. That's why I hate. The man wish for have all them day one niggas then, but it couldn't happen because some man were haters. Some man him just pushing the side like him just pushing it to the side like ribcage. When pushing it to the side, dog. On the on the side now. The man turn vision. The man no see you know. Cause on the 8 when the man never have nothing and the man there behind bars, no found out even put no money on him books. But as him come out here now and dip on top you know, what my G? Me G your blood clot. Me your friend? Eh? Me your friend? Eh? Eh? When me down and at me low, which part on the day? Where were you? Where were you? Eh? Hey Siri. Suck your mother. What do you mean that's not nice? Know yourself. Let's go.
I study school wasn't for me. Looking up to drug dealers, I ain't want a degree. My teacher said I would be dead or in jail. Hey, they never thought that we would make it out these streets. Feeling like a life goal, how I always say niggas. I'ma take the fool with the type that's gonna...
Should I say this? Should I say this? Me I go say it. The shoebox and the trap man them and the road man them safe. Yes it is. The shoebox underneath the bed and the trappy them safe. Bumbleclap. Full up a shoes box and start on a shoes box.
No blame niggas, we ain't in the same conversation, call they lame niggas. Wrist like 5 figures, tryna stop me 8 figures. I try to study school, wasn't for me. Looking up to drug dealers, I ain't want a degree. My teacher said I would be better in jail. Hey, they never thought that we would make it out these streets. Feeling like a lifeguard, I always say niggas, I'ma take the fool, you the type that's gonna blame niggas. We ain't in the same conversation, call they lame niggas. Wrist like 5 figures, tryna stab me 8 figures.
Nice. Big up Blackbeard Visuals. Rimzee, big up yourself. Born Trappy, big up yourself. Rimzee, I'm gonna chat to you, my G. Take out my phone and chat to you, my G. Look at me, my G. Where me invite there to the music video? Where me invite there to the music video? Eh? Anyway, music video bad still. Music video bad. Visuals bad. You see me? The concept bad. You see me? From nothing to something bad. Born Trappy, big up yourself. You did your thing, brother. You see me? Mash up the chorus. You see me? Rimzee, big up yourself, my G. You never fail to bring forth the good music, my G. You see me? As always, respect up the fair. You know that, my fam. You see me? So big up yourself, bro, and go and do your thing, bro. You see me? Well, outside, not the girl them. Outside, not the girl them. I'm outside, man. What I'm to know? I'm outside. What do you learn? I'm outside in the girl them. I'm outside. Huh? Yeah, alright, look more.